Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to scan your phone if you have any harmful app in your device, especially the Android devices. So how to check that? So in order to do that, we can open Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you can select the icon of your email, and then from here you can see Play Protect. Select the Play Protect. So here you can see no harmful app has been found. So we're gonna scan this device and see if you have any harmful app in this tablet. So it's scanning right now, and scan has been completed. No harmful app found, and that's how you scan your any Android device to check if you have any harmful app sitting and installed into your device. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for watching tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more.